Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. This is Biswajit back again with another video. So now we will write a program where we ask user to enter two ranges or two numbers, that is the starting range and the end range, and we will display all the even numbers present in between that range including that two range. Okay, so for that I need to create two variable here, that is your upper range and lower range. I will write here suppose lower range equals to, I will create a input function here. So inside int I will write here input, then I will write the message enter the lower range, and then next I will create another variable, that is upper range, and I will write a input function here by doing typecasting with integer. Then I will write here input, then inside input function I will write here enter the upper range, and now I need to run the loop from this lower range to till upper range. Okay, so for that I will write a for statement here. So I will write here for range for I in range that is from lower range to I will go till upper range plus 1. Okay, because if I write here upper range plus 1, then it will go till upper range. Okay, so now I will check here if this I is divisible by 2, that is I percentage 2 is equals to 0, then I will print that I. Okay, and I'll write here a end keyword here, and end equals to, I want to end with comma. Okay, so now you can see this is the entire program. Now if I run this file, then you can see the result. Okay, so I will run this file now, then you can see what happens. It will ask enter the lower range. Suppose I will enter here suppose 10, and then enter the upper range. I want to enter suppose 50, and then hit enter. Then you can see it is printing all the even numbers present between 10 to 50. Okay, so if you want to print all the odd numbers, then you can do that. Let me clear the terminal, and you just need to write here when this I percentage 2 equal to 0, then it is even number. So you need to write here a else part, else I will print here, I will print I and end with comma. Okay, and inside this if block I need to simple write here pass. Okay, so this pass is a keyword available in Python, that is if you don't want to write anything or if you don't want to execute anything here, then you can just write a keyword here pass, so it will simple pass this statement. Okay, or otherwise you can write the same thing in another way. I will tell you. Let's run this file. Okay, so now I will run this file, then you can see it will ask enter the lower range. I will enter suppose here 23, and the upper range should be 57. Then you can see it is printing all the odd numbers between 23 to 57 including 23 and 57. Okay, so now I will clear the terminal, and you can see we can write it as this print statement. I can write this print statement also inside this if block, and no need to write this else part, and I will just simply write here instead of double equals I will write here not equal. Okay, that means when this I percentage 2 is not equals to 0, that means it is a odd number, so then I want to print the value of I. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see the result. I will run here, then you can see it will ask me enter lower range. Suppose I will enter here 5 and the upper range should be 20, then you can see it will print all the odd numbers between 5 and 20. Okay, this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.